All right, what's going on, Tycoon? Super excited for today's video. We are going to be covering three metaverse stocks that I think will be very big in the future and have great, excellent long-term trading or investment opportunities. Okay, what I mean by that is if you buy and hold for the next 5 years, I think that there's a potential to, at least get 100%, possibly 500%, if the metaverse continues its hype, okay, and the metaverse delivers on what the metaverse is supposed to be. These three companies are going to be very, very good. So stay tuned. And if you guys would like to know more companies that are going to be slept on and people aren't realizing that they're metaverse related, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll go ahead and drop a video on more metaverse stocks that you guys would like. Also, I have a channel on my YouTube channel called Metaverse Investments. Okay, feel free to go ahead and click on that channel. There's crypto in there and there is stocks. Okay, so if you deal with more than just stocks, you can go ahead and check out some crypto metaverse investments as well. Okay, with that being said, let's go ahead and dive right into my first one. Is going to be Roblox. Okay, ticker symbol RBLX. So here we have a we have a nice bull flag forming. Okay, which would lead us up to the new bullish price targets. That's going to be this and this right here. Okay, and this level right here is basically, we're now going to change it to blue. Okay, this is going to be our breakout level. Okay, so if you notice, I have a breakout level here and then bullish price target, and then this was the old bullish price target. Okay, we hit those bullish price targets and we fell back down. Okay, we can still fall further. Okay, I am bullish on Roblox, but if you're looking for short term, what is it going to do in the short term? Be prepared for a possible drop. Okay, there's this nice big daily gap down here to fill, down to about $80, $82, somewhere in that range. Okay, from 82 to 92, so that's a pretty big gap. That's a $10 gap. Gaps tend to fill about 90 to 95% of the time on the daily chart. Okay, so keep that in mind. All right, this thing could pull back further, but if we go higher, you can screenshot these and you can draw this. We have a nice bull flag. Okay, and there'll be links in the description to every video or to every ticker that I'm looking at. Okay, basically I have another video covering these a little bit more in depth. Okay, so beware of some bearish divergence. Bearish divergence is when the RSI makes a higher low, but the stock price makes a higher high. So high here, higher high, high here, lower high, bearish divergence. Okay, so let's get into the next one. We are going to be looking at MTTR. Okay, that is Matterport. MTTR is very important to the metaverse, especially if you believe in the metaverse, and because they are in the business of importing matter into the metaverse. Okay, so this one is playing out beautifully. Okay, you can look at my last video I did on that one. We've got a lot of bearish divergence. Okay, that could pull us back further, but we did already see a significant pullback. Okay, and right now we're basically right at the trend line for the bull flag breakout, and if we break out of this bull flag, these are going to be our bullish price targets up here, and then this would be my breakout zone. Okay, so MTTR, I like that one a lot as well. Okay, and the other one is going to be nvidia. Nvidia is basically essentially like the top chip company that there is right now. Okay, and what is the metaverse going to be ran by? Computer chips. Okay, so we got some daily gaps down to fill on the NVIDIA chart, okay? But this chart is super, super bullish. We do have a little bit of some bearish divergence, okay? Which you guys can see there's a little bit of some red action going on here, all right? Something to be very cautious of is this head and shoulders, okay? We have a left shoulder, we have a head, and if we form a right shoulder, then we could drop down and fill all of these gaps. Okay, remember what I said about daily gaps filling 90 to 95% of the time. It's just a matter of when. It could be days, months, weeks, years, okay, before these gaps fill. So just be cautious, okay? And if this thing does pull back and we bounce off of the base support level, come back up and hit resistance, if we break this base support level, we do have a possibility of dropping even further and filling these two gaps down below. Okay, we still have this daily gap to fill. We haven't filled this one. I wouldn't be surprised if we see this one fill relatively soon, being that it's so close to the current price level and that there is a little bit of some bearish divergence going on. but NVIDIA is also going to be major. Okay, so if you made it this far, smash the like button for me. Don't forget to like and subscribe as well. And leave a comment if you guys want more Metaverse videos. If you guys have a ticker symbol that you would like me to analyze, go ahead and let me know, and I'll be happy to get to that for you and make a video on it. Okay. The link to join the Options Trading Tycoons Discord, where you gain access to all of my entries and exits on crypto positions, stock positions, options, is going to be in the description below. You can use the channel name Zachly, okay? Use code Zachly for a discount, just like the channel name, and you can get yourself a discount on the membership. Not only do you gain access to my callouts, but you gain access to all of the other admin callouts. And those are the guys who helped me and grew me into the trader that I am today, and helped me out with everything that I needed. Okay, so feel free to join. Very, very good community and lots of money being made in the Discord. Okay, thank you guys for watching.